Scots. I'm Kim.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Bree.
Happy New Year's, everyone.
And welcome back to school, everyone.
Let's get into some announcements.
First, stop by after-school tutoring in the library on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday from 4 to 5:30 p.m.
Tuesdays are for English, science, and social studies.
Wednesdays are for math, social science, health, and government.
And Thursdays are for English, agriculture, biology, earth science, government, econ, and math.
Spanish-speaking instructional assistant available, and bus transportation is provided after-school tutoring from 5:30 p.m.
Second, seniors, you must purchase a cap and gown to participate in graduation. Please be sure to go to jostens.com or Highlands website to order. Prices go up in February. See Ms. Barbara Smith with any questions.
Third, Winter Formal is happening tomorrow, January the 13th, 2024.
The location is at World Records at 2815 F Street, and the times will be at 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m.
Theme is Old Hollywood. Make sure to have your school ID to enter.
Now for a quick break, and make sure to listen to this information. Thank you.
There has been lots of food waste at school, and we want to stop that. Me and my team have been working on posting around all over school just to reduce food waste. We have been kindly talking to students and just say, no food waste, please.
So I didn't really see the big deal on why I had to pick up the burrito in the first place, but when two individuals came barreling at me full speed across the cafeteria, I still didn't quite understand because they were yelling at me, you know. And then I got angry and decided to throw food at them because
In this country alone, out of the 350 million people that live in it, 20 pounds of food is wasted per person every month. How much food that is getting tossed out, that's the equivalent of 2 whole Thanksgiving turkeys. It's too much. It's too much food that gets thrown to waste that people could use to eat, to feed themselves at night.
If I were to have wasted that food and not put it in the basket. You know, it really did make me feel bad, but they also scared me a lot. So I think I won't do that anymore.
These are the share bins. You can use these to prevent any food waste, or if you decide later if you don't want the food that you chose. You can use these to even grab food that wasn't here earlier, and if you decide, just take it.
The drama program is bringing 2 big events this semester.
Ashira and Hannah, take it away.
Scouts Weekly exclusive. Hear it here first before announced next week on Instagram. Highlands winter production is Peter and the Starcatcher.
Here are some details. This play is a magical and whimsical tale of the origin of Peter Pan and how all of those beloved characters we know came to be. It is opening February 1st and performances are February 1st, 2nd, and 3rd at 7 p.m. in the WA. Doors open at 6:30 p.m.
$10 at the door. For more information, see Mr. Thompson in room 8C. Make sure to follow the drama department on Instagram at HHS_Scots_theater for more.
Audition announcement for Highland Spring Musical is coming next Monday on Instagram.
Check out this little sneak peek. If you have any questions, talk to Mr. Thompson in 8C.
Remember, if you're part of any clubs here at Highland
And you want us to read any announcements from your class,
reach out to Mr. Zavala at 11D at any time.
Thank you, Hannah and Ashira.
Now we are moving on with our sports team.
What's going on, Scots? It's time for sports. I'm your host, Julian Medina.
My name is Peter.
Here are some sports announcements.
Here are some games or matches to know about that are happening today.
Varsity boys wrestling at Centennial Tournament for the Kern County Invitationals.
Boys soccer versus Centennial.
Girls soccer at Centennial.
Boys basketball versus Centennial.
Show up and show some love. Support our athletes at Highland High School. Now I'm going to be interviewing my co-host, Peter Parra, about soccer. Peter, why do you play soccer here at Highland?
Because this is where I go to high school.
Well, no, but why do you play soccer?
I've been playing since I was a little child.
I like that. I like that. But what's your favorite part about soccer?
I like dribbling, scoring, passing, assisting, and playing.
I like that. That's very sentimental. But can I ask you a quick question?
Sure.
Never mind. So how's your season looking like this year?
I think we're gonna finish strong.
That's very good. Do you see you guys going to state?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. But last question: why should people go and watch the soccer team play this year?
Because even though it's cold, we bring the heat.
He is not LeBron James, but thank you for answering my questions.
No problem. Let's go back with Kim and Bree.
One more thing before we end the show today.
If you lost your AirPods during first semester,
Go by the dean's office, see if they have them in the lost and found.
Scots, follow our IG account at HHS_videopro.
That's it for today.
And always remember to
Plaid up.